Nau mai koutou, Kor Ella taku ingoa. My name is Ella.
In morena WINTON SCHOOL, Kor Onolina ahau. I am Onolina. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for our meeting, the 27th of May.
Okay, te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is morena, which is te reo for morning.
As in morena e hoa. Good morning, mate.
That's morena, which is te reo for morning.
Ka pai. On to health and safety news. Hi, VIZ VESTS. Do we need to tell you people?
No, we don't. We're them people.
Okay, sausage sizzles and hot chocolates and cookie day. Remember to line up nicely, use your manners, and wait patiently while getting your kai.
Now, if you have missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the textbooks below. Oh, there's going to be a word explosion down here. Boom!
Stephen Adams news. Year 7 to 8 basketball players, no moustache. Training with Mr. T. He's out.
School council news. Mr. Wadsworth is back, and you know what that means.
Kapahaka news. If you are year 4 and 6 interested in the competition Kapahaka, you can sing Kapi Oi Oi.
Get to the hall by 12:45 today for a wire ringa kiora.
Birthday news. 1 today at WINTON SCHOOL. Eddie Campbell is now the big hero 6.
Tomorrow, Dylan Lyle hits the double digits 10.
And on Sunday, Chloe Thompson turns 12.
Rofano, kia koutou. Happy birthday, you guys. Eat some cake for me.
Pals. Room 10 and 11. Check it out. It's on the library window.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite a te wiki. See you next week.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay off the grass, WINTON SCHOOL.